It's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Daebak, developed by Shinsegai in South Korea and manufactured in Malaysia by Mommy Double Decker. This is a Jjambbong variety, and Jjambbong is like... Generally, it's like a smoky seafood stew kind of deal. And I'm absolutely in love with Otogi's variety, and I'm wondering how this will be, if I'll like this more. I'm like, I really like Jjambbong. So, yeah. So we've got a noodle block. These noodles are usually quite good. This one particular variety, it's crumbling a little bit. That was the groan. But this particular variety usually has a really nice noodle. And also the Jjambbong usually comes with an oil. So I'm going to be curious whether the lack of oil sachet is going to prove something that I miss. You know? But generally, all of this range of the Daebak have been absolutely excellent. Even the seaweed and the spicy mushroom, which were both flavors, I was thinking like, I'm not gonna like either of those by any stretch of the imagination. No way. But they were really good, and so my hats are off. They've developed them in such a way that makes me happy. So, and manufactured them in the same style of happiness for me. So we will give these a try. Here goes the timer, and I gotta clean up these little bits. Bing, bing. But yeah, let's see what is going on. Yeah, it's hard to get past the fact that I can't, like, I'm not out walking. I'm not always all the way to the next town. I've been doing a lot of walking. A day off will be weird, but I'll do it. I've got 2 unboxings to do, and once those are done, I'll have 3 to edit. I'm probably going to do 5 reviews this morning, and that would be nice. What's in the news? Oh, debt ceiling crap. You know. It's stupid. It's stupid. It's stupid. But everybody wants to win. So even if they lose, the one side will say they won. And even if they lose, the other side will say they won. So, and everybody will just say the other side is a loser. So. But yeah. What else is going on? Oh. Pretty excited. I get to go see the doctor in just over 2 weeks. Most people aren't ever excited to go see the doctor. I am, because he told me to lose weight, and I'm pretty sure that's been happening. I'm wearing a 1X t-shirt. I was wearing a 2X, and those were getting small. So the first time I went, and I need to do it, maybe I'll do one of those videos today. I've done a series of the Ramen Raider diet videos, and honestly, I lost 160 pounds. I went from 360 down to 200. Yay. But after my mom died, not her fault, I gained weight. After COVID, I don't know, I lost the passion. And what happened was, it's like, crap, I gotta go see my doctor if I want to get refills of my medication that I take. And he's like, oh, he's Taiwanese, he's originally, and he's like, you gained 80 pounds. I'm like, okay, I'm on it. I don't know what this guy what his magical skill is, but literally, he doesn't like berate me. He doesn't like get on my case super bad or anything. But he just says something. I'm like, I'm on it. I'm absolutely on it. Everybody needs to have this guy for a doctor, or at least everybody needs to be in my mindset going to that guy for a doctor. I'm guessing most people, you know, get hit with something like that, and they don't feel the passion of the warfare to go and walk like a psychopath every day. But yeah, it's gone good, and I'm very curious. My here's the whole diet. Don't eat too much, right? That's a plus. And get a lot of exercise. Diet and exercise. And I drink a whole crap load of caffeine. Also, I don't get on the scale. The only time I get on the scale is when I go see the doctor. As soon as I start like weekly getting on the scale or daily or whatever, that's where stuff starts to go downhill. That's when it's just like, if you do that, you're just like screwing yourself over. You know what a perfect gauge of knowing that you're losing weight is? A smaller shirt fits that you have. Your clothes, their old clothes fit better. So that's what I do, and that's what I've been doing this time. I think when I saw him was March 4th. Is that right? I think so. And I'm going to see him again on June 2nd. So March, April, May. So like 3 months. And I have a feeling, my guess at least, is that I'll have lost 40 pounds. And I'm going to tell him, I'm like, okay, so this is good. When's the next time we can have an appointment? I probably don't need one, but it keeps me motivated knowing that I'm going to go back there. So when can we do this again? He'll probably be happy about that, honestly. Last when I lost 160 pounds, he was just like gobsmacked, and he was like so stoked, and he was like, now you have to go inspire people. And that's when I started doing my videos. So here is the noodle. These are generally really quite good. Let's find out. Cheers. Definitely has that nice, slightly gummy on the outside, good chew on the end. And our broth. It's tasty. It's not exactly smoky, and I wish it were more smoky. But it's good. There's nothing wrong with that. And okay, we're using this bowl. That's not centered. Yeah, it's kind of weird doing this show without music. It's like I'm always playing music with this. But I guess I could figure out a way to do it. I've got all of the music on the computer, but then that's like something else to do, and I'm like knee deep in doing reviews. So no music for you today. Just play your own music. There you go. Just go and grab your musical device if you have one. I hope you do. And that's what you will do. Right? Is that what you're doing right now? Grabbing your musical device? I certainly hope that's the case. What do we got here? Did I got two of them? I do have two of them. I'm not going to use those. I'm going to use one of these. See, I made ramen eggs, or Ojutsuki tamago, or whatever you want to call them. Softies. I made these on Monday, and they've definitely spent a lot of time marinating. So they should, and they look good. They look really nice. Until I do that. Yeesh. They're still all goopy, but this is definitely the day. It's like everything as far as my reviewing goes, today was the day to get this stuff happening. So that worked out. My feet probably agree as well. But I haven't really been having any problems with like aches or pains or soreness or anything like that. And that's been really nice. Throw some green onion right about. That looks good. And that looks good. Yeah, just not going super crazy. I think this one calls for a wee bit. Using that special unit of measure, the wee bit. It uses a wee bit of something and I can't find it. No, not that. No, not that. Where the heck are you? That's done. Huh. Did I put it away? I don't think I did. I don't know where it is. I'm just looking for well, that's tempting, but no. I'm just looking for crushed red pepper because here it is. Let's add some of that. I think that's about like that. I think that's good. I think this would be, whoa, a bad idea to have fall over right about now, you know. So we will allow it to do rotato now. Rotate. And there we go. And what am I doing next? I've got another one. The next one's from Zen Pop. They do noodle stuff things. And you can go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code TheLaundryMaker for a discount, which you will enjoy for all time. Forever. Right, Pepper? They'll enjoy it for the rest of their days. I don't know. I think the noodles would have expired by that point. But anyways, the next one we're going to do is from Sugakia. It's a Japanese variety. This is a Taiwanese, they're just calling it Taiwanese ramen. There's really no such thing except for in Japan. But I think the idea is that they're using things that you'd find in Taiwanese food. So anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. It really helps me out. And enjoy your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.